Hello guys, welcome to another video. So guys, most of you guys asking for a video software, now how I edit my videos. As you guys noticed that, so today's topic is about how I edit my videos on my smartphone. So today I'm gonna tell you how I edit my videos on my smartphone iPhone on my smartphone via using iMovie software. iMovie is specifically designed for iPhone user. If you are an iPhone user, you can easily edit your YouTube videos via mobile iPhone. All you just have to download iPhone iMovie software. So let's go to the screen. So let me show you how I edit my videos on my smartphone. On older iPhone like iPhone SE, but I can still edit and use, so I can still use iMovie on iPhone SE, so I can edit my videos on iPhone SE. So let's go to the screen. So let me show you. So let's go to the screen. So as I told you, so today I'm gonna tell you how I edit my videos in iMovie editor iPhone. If you have an iPhone user, so you can easily edit your videos and design, and you can create title, subtitle. As you can see, you can create project over here. You have two options here you have a movie or a trailer. So iMovie provides you two options. You can create your own. They have already predefined trailer. You can edit these trailers. So this is the template. You can choose these template and use them in your videos like that. So these are the predefined, so you can also create them. So right now we are creating our own video. So this is the movie. So you have to select your movie. So right now I am selecting my movie. So these are the videos that you have. So this is your gallery. So you can select your movie from your gallery. So let me select my movie, and then I will create the movie. You have to select manually, just like that. So now I have selected my videos. So I just selected all the, if you have 4 to 5 clips, you just have to add these clips. So you can see now you can see these are the videos. As you can see, these videos are in portrait mode or in a mobile mode. So you need to have a YouTube mode. So you have to just click on a clip. You have several options over here. You have option here: cut, split, detach, duplicate, or delete. And another option over here, you have a speed. You can change your speed. You can change the speed of the videos, like you can slow or fast forward of your speed. For example, I am fast. Let me get it fast. So it played in fast mode, just like that.
Working remotely.
So if you want, so that's how. So if you want to change the screen size, so let's for example for this video, as you just click on a screen, you have a pinch option. You have an option over zoom over here. You can pinch to zoom, and you can drag the screen with both of your thumbs. It will zoom and it will create the video like a YouTube format. So good to go. So now you can make your YouTube video by just, here it is. You can adjust the size of the video from where you want to adjust your video. And so let's explore more option. So here you have option like a volume rocker. So if you want to increase your volume, so you can increase the volume of your video or sound, or you want to mute your video. So yeah, here it is. So the most interesting feature in iMovie, the text option. You have several design for text. So let's try this. So for example, so let's try this text. So if you want to add text title or a different title, you can directly add your text over here. You can type edit and type anything. So you can add your title over here. You can change the text size, you have several design. You have lower third degree text, or you have different text, different style. You can add any text. You can also add an animated text like this. So you can also add this type of text. So there are several text options. So here here is a different theme or a color, or you can say filter, something like that. So these are the different filter you can add, and anyone you want. So here it is. So that's how. Now you can delete, export. If you want to save it, you have to save it in your gallery. So you save your video, so it will be saved in your gallery. So that's how I edit my video. You can also add different options. So if you want to do voiceover artist, so if you are a voiceover artist, or you don't want to create your own video, so you can also add voiceover. So there are several options you can create here. Options and add track. You can also add voiceover, and click the plus icon, and now you can go to audio, here voiceover. So here you can add voiceover, so you can start recording your own voice on any image or any video you can add. So that's how this is the easy option. You can easily create videos via mobile phone. So if you have an iPhone, so you can create awesome videos. So hope you guys like this video. So if you like this video, so please give the thumbs up.